Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up and use Bitmoji. If you are using any iPhone or any Android and you want to set up and use Bitmojis, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and install Bitmoji app. Once you have installed, just tap on this open option and your app will be open. Now you have two different ways. The very first way is that you have to continue with your Snapchat. You can log in with your Snapchat account, or you have the option of create avatar. You can also try to create an avatar, or you can also try to log in with your account. Here I'm going to select this create avatar option. Just select use email if you don't want to use your Snapchat account. So here you have to enter your date of birth. So let's say I'm going to enter here any random date of birth. Once I've entered, just tap on this continue option. You have to enter your mail address. So once you have entered your mail address, just tap on this continue option, and here you have to try to create a new password for your Bitmoji app. Once you have created your password, just tap on the sign up option and your account will be created on Bitmoji. Now you just have to select your gender. So let's say I'm going to select male from here. Or you can also start with a selfie, but I'm going to select skip and create manually. So from here you have to select your skin tone. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Once I've selected, just tap on next, and here you have to select your hair color. So I'm gonna select this one. Just tap on next. You have to select your hairstyle. So once I have selected, just tap on this next option. Now you have to select your hair treatment. So let's say I'm gonna select this one, or this. Once I've selected your best, just tap on this next, and you have to select your facial hair. So let's say I'm gonna select this one, or you can also select this none option, then tap on next. Now here's you need no need pickup, so select next. From here you have to select your eye shape, which one you want to. So once I've done this, tap on next option here. You have to select your eye size, your eye color, your eyebrows. And once you have done all of these, you just have to tap on the save option, and here you have to select yes. You have to select an outfit from here. So once you have done this, tap on next stop or the save option here. So now once you have created your avatar or your Bitmoji, you have to turn off keyboard to send Bitmojis anywhere you chat with the Bitmoji keyboard. So you just have to turn on keyboard, and here you will see these instructions. Follow this instruction. Go to settings, then Bitmoji, then keyboard. Turn on Bitmoji and allow full access. So just open settings here. Now in settings, you just have to go back and you have to go to app section. Under apps, you just have to look for Bitmoji. Then select keyboards. Enable the Bitmoji keyboard and also enable allow full access. If you don't want, you can disable it, but I'm going to enable this. Once I'm enabled, just go back and you have to open your keyboard anywhere. Let's say I'm going to open in my WhatsApp app. Now in WhatsApp, you will see your Bitmojis. Just select your Bitmoji keyboard from here. Once you have selected Bitmoji keyboard, you will see your different emojis from here. You can easily select which one you want to. Let's say I'm going to select this one. Just tap on that and your Bitmoji copy it. Now paste it. You just have to paste it here and your Bitmoji will be pasted. The tab on send and it will be sent as a sticker. So in this way, you can easily set up and use Bitmoji anywhere. You can do or you can send Bitmojis in your messages, your messenger, your Instagram, anywhere you want to. So in this way, you can easily set up and use Bitmoji and your iPhone or any Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.